after itong Office of the Vice President's response in relation sa third quarter expenditure, February 6 to September 30, 2023. At saka sa first and second quarter. Ano nangyari? What happened next after all of this response of the Office of the Vice President for the 3 quarters?
During po the evaluation ng responses sa dalawang AOM, nagkaroon po ng Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability hearings po noong November 2024. At dito po nagkaroon ng statement si Ms. Gina Acosta, ang Special Disbursing Officer ng OBP, na by the directive of BP Sara, binibigay po niya ang cash advance for confidential fund kay Colonel Raymond Dante Pila Chica.
Before we go into that, Your Honor, please, presiding officer, this witness alluded or has testified that there was a Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, CGGPA hearing. Kailan to?
November 2024 po.
Yes. For the understanding and appreciation of this honorable court, this was subject of a motion for judicial notice of the prosecution and the transcripts of that hearing as to its actual occurrence, as to what transpired, Your Honor, have been subject of judicial notice. Your Honor, Mr. Witness, Madam Witness, sinabi mo na nag-testify si Ms. Gina Acosta. Nandun ka ba sa hearing na yon?
Yes po, nandun po ako sa hearing na yun.
Bakit ka nandun sa hearing na yon?
Kasama po ako sa resource persons from COA na umattend po doon.
Nasubpina ka ba?
Yes po.
Bakit ka sinubpina?
Kasi ako po yung staff na nag-conduct ng evaluation po ng mga documents na sinubmit in relation sa liquidation ng confidential fund ng OBP at DepEd.
Okay, and you said that in that hearing of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, nag-testify ang isang Miss Gina Acosta. Ito bang Miss Gina Acosta yung sinabi mo kanina na Chief of Staff? Ay, hindi. Sino? SDO ng Office of the Vice President?
Yes po, si Ms. Gina Acosta po.
At nakilala mo siya sa hearing na yon, na nandun talaga siya?
Opo, nagpakilala po siya.
Nagpakilala siya sa'yo?
Hindi po, dun sa hearing po.
Sa
Kaya
hearing.
na-identify ko po na siya po yun.
And anong sinabi niya? Anong narinig mong sinabi niya sa hearing na yan?
Na by the directive po of BP Sara, binibigay niya kay Colonel Raymond Dante Pila Chica, head ng Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group, yung cash advance po for confidential fund.
Na sinabi kay Gina Acosta ng Vice President na ibigay niya kay isang Colonel La Chica. Sino itong Colonel La Chica?
Siya po yung head ng Vice Presidential and Security Group po nung time na yun.
Itong Colonel La Chica, hindi siya Senior Disbursement Officer?
Hindi po
Special Disbursement Officer?
Hindi po siya ang SDO.
Ano ang kinalaman ng isang head ng security sa disbursement ng confidential funds, kung alam mo?
Under po kasi sa joint circular, nakalagay po doon na sa responsibility ng SDO na siya yung magdi-disburse ng cash advance. And meron din pong provision under 6.1.1 na hindi under no circumstance shall cash advance for confidential fund be transferred from one accountable to another po.
So, kung ano ang nakalagay sa circular na yan, 6.1.1, yun lang dapat ang officer na dapat mag-disburse ng pondo.
Yes po, si SDO lang po.
Paano kung ang Vice President mismo, Vice President, yung head ng agency, ang siya mismo nag-instruct kay Ma'am Gina Acosta na bigay ni Gina Acosta kanyang SDO kay Colonel La Chica? Tama ba yun sa palagay ninyo o sa evaluation ninyo, Madam Witness?
Kindly turn on the mic of the counsel for respondent tech. And why is it off?
Hello. The witness is incompetent to answer that question.
If she knows, counsel, witness may answer.
Under
If
po
you know, Celine. If you don't, you can also say so.
Okay po, thank you po, Your Honor. Under po kasi sa joint circular, it is the SDO na mag-disburse ng cash advance. And ang participation po dito ng head of agency is to oversee, kasama po sa responsibility niya, to oversee the agency-wide use ng kung paano po ginagamit ang confidential fund.
So ang sagot sa tanong ay, ang tanong ko ngayon, sa sinabi mo, sa palagay mo, bakit ka nabahala na si Miss Acosta?
Your Honor,
I have not yet
Let
asked the
the
question. Your Honor.
counsel finish her question. Counsel for respondent.
Why does it concern you, as you stated, that Miss Acosta admitted to transferring the confidential funds
Your Honor,
to
please.
Colonel La Chica?
Are you done, Attorney Kupunan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, counsel for
Your Honor,
respondent.
the witness did not say that she was concerned about it. So that's a leading question. Misleading, sorry.
Kindly
Misleading
reform, counsel. You already established that the witness heard Gina Acosta under oath testify that she was instructed by the Vice President to give the funds to
What observation
Chica.
or significance did you draw from the admission by Ms. Acosta in this Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability hearing? What observation or significance did you draw personally from this admission?
This is a direct violation po ng joint circular, specifically yung item 6.1.1 po.